Okay, so now we're at the peer review section of the online training. Let's go ahead and read the instructions. Please choose two of your peers. Using the rubric below, review the submissions they posted in the Share section at the end of Module 1 or Module 2. Each person will submit 2 peer reviews total, utilizing the yellow comment box below. First of all, let's make sure that the rubric's here. Here's the rubric here, and this is what it's going to look like. If you notice, it follows the 4 C's: communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking. There's your criteria, and then you have the way that we're going to rate. So that's what your rubric is going to look like. Now, per the instructions, we're going to go back up to Module 1. And at the very end of Module 1, this is where we're going to find where our peers have shared various strategies. For instance, and per the instructions, each online training participant is going to share 3 different strategies, how they can see implementation in the classroom. So we see here that John S. has shared his 3 strategies. Let's go ahead and review those real quick. And let's just say that we really like the way that he suggested using tabletop blogs to discuss photosynthesis. And he even took it a step further and said how the students could either explain how it works, or they could use the strategy of tabletop blocks and draw photosynthesis. So each student would draw a portion of the project or process. I think that's pretty cool. So we focused in on the strategies that we want to peer review. So we're going to go back up here to peer review, and then utilizing this little comment box, we're going to say, John, I thought it was really creative the way you suggested using tabletop blogs to photosynthesis. So we've highlighted one of the 4 C's, creativity. Students will not only exercise creativity, but they will be collaborating as well. So that's our peer review. And let's say I give that suggested strategy a solid 4. Okay, so that's going to be our peer review of John. And if you note here, John can reply to us. He could say, thanks, Donna. I foresee blah, blah, blah. So he can actually respond to my comment. So you can see there we have an active conversation and a way that we can collaborate online with one another, give each other feedback, receive feedback, and have a professional exchange of information. And it's that simple, you guys. That's all there is to it. And don't forget that you need to peer review 2 of your peers. Good luck.